Chapter 12, Light and Sound. Light is a form of energy. The sun and other stars, torches, tube lights, bulbs, fire, and lamps all make their own light. They all are sources of light. Some animals, such as fireflies and glowworms, are light sources. They make their own light. The sun, other stars, fireflies, and glowworms are natural sources of light, whereas torch, tube lights, bulbs, fire, and lamps are man-made sources of light. The moon is not a source of light. It reflects light from the sun. How are shadows formed? A shadow is made when an object blocks a light. There are three types of objects: transparent objects, translucent objects, opaque objects. Transparent objects let light pass through them in straight lines. So, a transparent object will not make a shadow. For example, glass. Translucent objects let some light pass through, for instance, a tissue paper. They make faint shadows. Opaque objects do not let any light pass through them. They block light completely and make dark shadows. Wood is an example of opaque object. Book, table are also the examples of opaque object. When an object is moved closer to the light source, the shadow gets bigger. When an object is moved further away from the light source, the shadow gets smaller. Sun and shadows. The sun is the brightest natural light source for Earth. It casts or makes the longest shadows at the beginning and end of the day when it is lowest in the sky. It casts the shortest shadows at middays when it is highest in the sky. Sound. Sound is a type of energy made by vibrations. When something makes a sound, it is vibrating. These vibrations are transmitted through the air to our ears, where we hear them as sound. For example, when someone plays a musical instrument such as a guitar, the vibrating cords set air particles into vibration. The vibration of air particles produces sounds. How do vibrations travel? Sound vibrations travel. Sound vibrations can travel through different materials: solid, liquid, or gases. They travel better through some materials than others. For example, sound vibration travel very well along metal pipes. Sound cannot travel through a completely empty space called vacuum, which has nothing, not even air in it. Pitch and loudness of sound. A pitch of a sound is high. How high or low the sound is. A high sound has a high pitch and a low sound has a low pitch. The loudness of a sound is how loud or soft the sound is. It is measured in decibels. A drum hit hard makes a loud sound. A drum hit gently makes a soft sound. A very loud and unpleasant sound becomes disturbing. Such sound is referred to as noise. Honking of vehicles, blaring loudspeakers, and machines make a lot of noise. Noise is unwanted sound. Too much noise causes noise pollution, which is harmful for health.